Hi everybody, this is the Math 30-1 Trig 2 review, and this is question 5a. It says verify the identity, the above identity right there, with the particular case that x is equal to pi over 3. Okay, so when we're verifying, all we're doing here is plugging that in. Now there are other ways that are acceptable here in terms of verification here, but what we really want people to do is we want you to take that pi over 3 and substitute it in, so this will become sine of pi over 3 over 1 minus the cosine of pi over 3. Okay, and we're going to try to establish that that is equal to 1 plus cosine of pi over 3 over sine of pi over 3. Now, I'm a little concerned that I'm going to run out of room here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do one side at a time here, very deliberately. So the sine of pi over 3, okay, that's 60 degrees. Think about your unit circle or your special triangles, and that'll be root 3 over 2. And then cosine of pi over 3, okay, is going to be 1 over 2, so 1 half, so 1 minus a half. So root 3 over 2 over 1 minus a half. And now that's going to equal root 3 over 2 divided by, well, okay, 1 minus a half is just going to be a half. Okay, and when you divide fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal, so it's going to be root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. And so our answer here is just going to be root 3. So now what we need to show is that that other side, we need to verify that if I plug pi over 3 into the other side, that I'm going to get root 3. So the other side will be 1 plus cosine of pi over 3 divided by the sine of pi over 3. Okay, and we just saw this. We know that pi over 3, cosine of pi over 3 is just going to be 1 half, so there we go. And sine of root 3 over, pi over 3 is going to be root 3 over 2. All right, now we add the two terms here in the numerator. 1 plus a half is just going to be 3 halves over root 3 over 2. And now when we divide fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal, so this will become 3 over 2 times 2 over root 3. And now the 2's will cancel here, and so we're going to be left with 3 over root 3. Now, we can rationalize that if we need to, multiplying top and bottom by root 3, or you can just see it like this. 3, all on its lonesome, is root 3 squared. And I know a lot of people don't see that, but root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3. You know, oh my gosh, why is that true? Because that's what a root square root is. That's exactly what we've been building square roots up to be for as long as you've been learning about them. Okay? The exact same number multiplied by itself to give you this value right here. So we cancel those and we're simply left with a root 3. So that's enough to verify that this identity is at least true at the value x is equal to pi over 3.